Second opinion, my Kenmore Sears refrigerator is tripping the GFCI circuit breaker. It seems to occur when the fridge goes into auto-defrost.
How can I help with your appliance question?
I'll need to diagnose and repair a problem with the auto-defrost system in my refrigerator.
What's the brand and model of your fridge? How old is it?
It is a Kenmore Sears model number 106.58904801. It's about 20 years old and I can't find a service manual online.
How long has this been going on with your Kenmore refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
It has been tripping the GFCI for a couple of days. I plugged it into a circuit without GFCI protection and it seems to be working fine so far.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. That's everything.
Please read my entire post. My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, then please ignore IT.
Okay.
Well, first off, the manufacturer of the appliance for Sears does not recommend that the refrigerator even be on a GFCI circuit. Due to the amperage draw of the compressor and the defrost heater having water dripped on it when the unit is in a auto-defrost mode.
Let's just chat for now. Should I be spending time on a refrigerator that is 20 years old? Will I be able to find replacement parts? Can I take it off the GFCI breaker without worrying about a dangerous situation?
As per the manufacturer's electrical requirements. In the use and care book it stated, a 115 volt, 60 Hz, AC only 15 or 20 amp fused, slow blow grounded electrical supply is required. It is recommended that a separate circuit serving only your refrigerator be provided. Use an outlet that cannot be turned off by a switch. Do not use an extension cord. The optimal word is slow blow, which means no GFCI. Yes, you can power it from a non-GFCI circuit. The circuit breaker will still trip if something were to short out. With it being 20 years old, you would have some parts that surely will be no longer available.
Thanks. That is exactly what I needed to know.
No need to reply back. Thank you and glad to assist you anytime. Have a safe rest of the week. Woody.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.